What's going on, everybody? It's that day, Monday, September 5th, 2022. That means it's the 11th annual EF Chad, EF Eric, and EF Frank's Labor Day Positivity Barbecue. I say it every year and I'm gonna say it again. We got good people coming, good food, good music, good drinks. We even got some new games this year. So today's gonna be just a little bit different because not only are we still in a pandemic, it's a record-setting heat wave. Today's supposed to be like 110, 115 elsewhere in the Bay, about 100 in Fremont. So we got plenty of water, make sure you stay hydrated. If things look a little different on the camera, shout out to my blood brother for actually buying a new camera, so hopefully the resolution's better. EF Chad, Chad Stein Photography, Real Fremont, you know what it is.
All right, this is EF Eric. This is the 11th annual EF Chad, EF Eric, EF Frank Labor Day Positivity Barbecue. We out here waiting on everybody else to pull up. And, you know, I want to thank y'all in advance for showing up and showing out. That's it.
Yo, what's good with it, everybody? This is EF Frank. I'm here chilling with my guy Chad, celebrating the 11th annual EF Chad, EF Eric, EF Frank Labor Day Positivity Barbecue. You might see a little bit of changes, but don't worry. Make sure we got the water out here, the food. Everybody's gonna have a great time. I heard we might have cornhole as well. I'm not sure, but get that in the hole, baby. We're here today with a jumpy Doja. He's sniffing around. He's looking for nuts. I bet he'll find them.
Excuse me, are y'all here for the barbecue? Excuse me. It's about.
Aflac, bro. Hey, Chad, you better be careful, bro. You know they're dangerous. They're great.
Oh, there's a squirrel here too. Y'all know each other? Excuse me. Oh, they got the American crows there too?
Just now being born, coming out the back, you know, making my entrance to the world, y'all.
We were 13 now. But I think my foot is like a 12 and a half. I bought that 12 and a half.
Hi, my name's Amelia. My name's Adina. And we're identical twins. We're also double the trouble and double the fun. We're here today at this Labor Day barbecue. Yep, it's great.
Alan Clark Pierce here at EF Chad's Positivity Barbecue, baby.
That's why he paid 20. He got that big thing.
Yep.
Always toast the camera. Always toast. I always toast you, Chad. It's always good. Always a pleasure, my brother.
You gotta look out, you gotta move out of the way so you can throw it at it. There you go. There you go. I got it.
I brought my helicopter and my drone.
What's up, everybody? This is Ramen, Simply Lovely Catering. We're here cooking again another beautiful day with my boy Chad and his fam and our fam. And it's a positivity barbecue. So no matter what happens, I make it. And that's it. Man, I shared a Polaroid with me. This takes me back to my childhood.
Look, I'm from Oakland, California. You know, all shout out to, you know, the positivity, you know, barbecue. Thanks for my brother, you know, EF Frank, EF Chad, you know, from White, EF Eric, you know, yeah. You know, we have you could have a good time, man. All praise the Most High.
If I'm losing or I'm winning, on my mama, that's the really shit.
Can you see it?
Good turkey, bro.
James Rockefeller, VJTV, the Visual Radio Network, Armenian Beach, History Making Entertainment, Feral Films, and that announcer guy. Well, they always out here. We come out here, this is what our fifth and sixth one. We come out here every year, man. We enjoy it, and we look forward to it every year. So my wife, Trina, she's always asking, hey, did we get that invite yet? Did we get that invite yet? So I was like, oh no, we going as soon as we get it. So appreciate it, man. Thank you. And I keep telling y'all every year, man, if you missed it, you missed it.
just sniffed the because I think you smelled the other day.
Hi, this is Fremont Mayor Lily May, and I just wanted to thank Chad and also EF Frank and EF Erik for providing this positivity barbecue. It's really important right now when there's so much negativity in the world for us to come together with love and unite us. And that's the most important part for our community is the unity and bringing people together to solve things and to deliver solutions for people. Take care.
What's going on is Big Drew at the annual Labor Day celebration Positivity Barbecue. Every year, same time, same place. Definitely not the same weather. But we're here, support Chad, support everybody else, spread positivity, love, and just hang out, have a good time. I'm running late this year. Normally I'm here early, the first one. But this year I think I'm the last. So, but you know, we appreciate you, Chad, and keep up. You know, we'll be here every year if we can.
So this is Danny from East Palo Alto. We're at the 11th annual EF Chad, EF Frank Positivity Barbecue. Just living it up, cool vibes, good people, good food. Just what's up, man?
Some discard before, and then that was my mom's.
I'm from New Orleans. I'm out here supporting the EF gang, you know what I mean? All the people out here just trying to be a good Samaritan, you know what I mean? Blessings to the brother Chad. Thank you for allowing me to bless this opportunity with you guys, you feel me? And I'm out.
Everybody had a good time at Positivity Barbecue. My kids had a great time. Thank you everyone for coming out. Awesome. Thank you. Appreciate it. All right.
No, Tavia, what is this?
This is my cracking mac and cheese. You know what I'm saying? Because it's cracking.
There you go. Thank you.
Big little brother.
Draw 8, cutter. All right, man, I mean, pass that draw 8 along if you got it, pass that phone along.
All right, can everybody hear me?
Yes, sir.
Everybody? Okay, so for those who don't know me, my name is Chad. This is Erik E. And that's Frank. So, for those of you that know the name of the barbecue and don't know the name of the barbecue, it's kind of long. It's the 11th annual EF Chad, EF Erik, and EF Frank's Labor Day Positivity Barbecue. So that's kind of long, so let me break it down. 11th annual, it's obviously the 11th year. We're supposed to be on the 12th year, but we had to postpone it in 2020 because of the pandemic. We felt it would be best to not put people at risk, but we're here today. So. For those that don't know what EF is, it's an acronym. It stands for Extended Fam. It's more or less a brotherhood that I started back in '06. Erik and Frank are EF. There were a couple other people here that are as well, but you know, it's a fraternity of sorts. You all right? You okay? All right. Today is obviously Labor Day, so you understand that. The most important word in that whole title is positivity. I started this back in 2011 with another brother of ours who's not here today, and we really wanted to bring people together for the common cause of positivity because, as you can see, there's a lot of negativity going on in the world, whether we're talking about, you know, with poverty, you know, violence, and everything going on with the political climate, and we just wanted to do our best to combat that, and I think we've achieved that. You guys agree with that or not?
Yeah.
All right, so this is, like I said, the 11th year doing it for me. This is E's 3rd year. This is his 3rd year. This is Frank's 4th or 5th. He came to a lot, but this is not all me. A lot of people, you know, tend to hear about it from me through social media and word of mouth, but I couldn't make this happen the way it's happened without these two, so I'd like to thank them a lot. Something we stress as well is bringing people together from all walks. So if you just look around you, we have different ethnicities here. I'm sure religious backgrounds, socioeconomic backgrounds, political affiliations, different cities. I myself am from Fremont, if you couldn't guess by my shirt. They're both from East Oakland, and this is not even a city, but they feel somewhat like it's important to them to still come out and do this here in Fremont with me, so I'm appreciative of that. I want to get some personal shout outs. I don't like to really single people out because it's important for everybody that's here. But first, I'd like to shout out EF Erik because, like I said, he's a big part of it. He chips in monetarily, word of mouth, and everything. So let's give a round of applause for E. There you go. Secondly, this man right here, he's gonna say something stupid, I'm sure, but EF Frank, he is a huge part of this. He's enthusiastic. He doesn't look it right now. He looks tired and probably a little drunk, but I'm very thankful for him as well. He puts in his portion monetarily and everything, so everybody give him a round of applause.
That's my son!
Don't give him a big round of applause. All right.
That's my son!
All right. Nextly, I don't know if everybody got a chance to meet him personally, but did everybody like their food? Was it good? Yeah. We have Ramen to thank for that.
Let's go wrong.
This is my homeboy, and he's a professional chef as well. He wears many different hats. He's a DJ.
But he ain't gonna be wearing that hat. That's mine.
He's a chef today, so everybody give him a round of applause, please. Okay, nextly, my friend Mark is here holding my little red camera. This is his second year doing this. I asked him if he could come out early in the morning and secure the spot. He's been here since 7:30 in the morning.
Oh, really?
So I appreciate him. Let's give him a round of applause. So I don't know how many of you saw the flyer, but at the bottom of the flyer, I chose to put some logos and things like that. Not that logo.
Okay.
Why not?
We have what I like to call supporters. We don't ask people to contribute money or anything, but there's certain people who contribute time promoting it, and they invite a lot of people. So they're not here right now, they left. But my homeboy Big Drew, who runs a car club, he was here. He always comes out, brings people out. So let's give Big Drew and his people a round of applause and see this at some point.
Big Drew.
So this man right here with the shirt, spread your arms apart, that announcer guy. Let me see your shirt. This is my good friend and supporter, James Rockefeller, and his wife, Trina. They are strong supporters of the barbecue. They come out every year. They bring the homemade spaghetti, all different, no meat, every different possible option you can think of. So on top of that, they also donate stuff for the raffle. So let's give James and Trina a big round of applause. Who else am I forgetting? Oh, we had a special guest this year. I'm sure a lot of you met her, talked to her, but this is a big deal for me because I'm a huge Fremont representative. I love my city. The mayor of Fremont came out, Lily May, which is huge. So let's give her a round of applause to see the video. And like I said, I don't like to single anybody out, but I had to do that. Now, probably most importantly, is every single one of you guys. Without your attendance, we would just be standing by ourselves talking, which is no problem, but we want to bring people together.
But we need to leave y'all like that.
So a lot of people left. I think we had a tally of somewhere around 80 people today. We're still in a pandemic. It's 103 degrees, so we're going to take that as a win. So shout out to everybody. Everybody, thank you all for coming. Thank you. I know I talk a lot. I say that every year, but I want to give my brothers a chance to speak. So E's going to go next.
Thank you for coming, y'all.
Man, a few words. Now, I have to give everybody a warning. He's going to say something crazy, so if you have kids, probably close their ears. So, go ahead, Frank.
Thank you guys for coming out. Love you all.
We love you too, man.
It was worse last year.
Best speech we had so far.
Anyway. Just to wrap it up, thank you all once again, and I hope everybody had a good time and enjoyed themselves. We're going to do the raffle now, so if everybody's got their tickets, take it out. We're going to get the raffle started.
I want to say thank you to Max and Kiki for coming out.
You got your friend. Hey, Frank,
She's a ticket, 2 pieces.
That's why I can use.
All right, is everybody ready? Yes, sir. Everybody got the tickets? Why don't you come over here? Why don't you stand up? Yeah, you want to get on camera? He's filming it. You're going to be famous. All right.
I got a Mexican beer.
All right.
929-112.
Everybody got it?
929-112. Somebody got it.
We probably call it like that.
They're all going to be close.
Oh, for real?
I need to verify.
Oh, hey! My sister, Miley.
Everybody give Alex a round of
That's just way, period.
929-127.
127.
127.
127. Last three.
You got it?
Woo!
Let's go! I don't believe you.
All right.
Don't go for the speaker, please.
Everybody give a round of applause.
092. Last three. 092. Real shit.
Anybody got 9-2? You got it, bro? Let me see. 9-2, yep. Everybody give Mo a round of applause.
I feel some cheating.
929-136. 136. 136. Everybody get there. 929-132. 132. Everybody give me a round of applause. The grand prize was donated by James and Trina Rockefeller. 120. 929-120.
I got 102. God damn it. This is a loaded game.
Everybody give Aiden a round of applause. 8 and 1.
Oh, you want a speaker?
8 and 1 a speaker.
Do with that? You don't know what
Thank y'all. The music's going back on.
Groovin on a Sunday afternoon. Away too soon. I can't imagine anything that's better. The world is ours whenever we're together. There ain't a place I like to be instead of moving down a crowded avenue to it. Anything we like to do. There's always lots of things that we can see. We can be anyone we like to be. And all those happy people we could meet just moving on a Sunday afternoon. Really couldn't get away too soon. No, 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 no. We'll keep on spending sunny days this way. We're gonna talk and laugh our time away. I feel it coming closer day